Hi, my name is Andrea, and I'd like to share with you my experience with Davis, Saperstein, and Salomon. I was injured and I knew the firm's reputation, so there was no doubt I was going to go with Davis, Saperstein, and Salomon because I wanted a firm that was going to stand behind me 100%. My attorney and case managers were there for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. My case happened during the pandemic, so I was a bit concerned because we were mainly functioning via email, phone call, Zoom, but there was never a time I felt like I was a case number. If I sent an email, somebody got back to me right away. There was never a moment I felt like I was just hanging out in the wind. Whenever I received an email, whether it was from my attorney or a case manager, it not only dealt with my case, but there was always a personal note in there. How's your husband? How are your grandchildren? There was always a personal note, which made me know that they were interested in my life, not just my injury and my case, which I haven't received from other attorneys in another case I was involved in, which just let me know that they were following my life. They were listening to my conversations. And it was a nice personal touch that made me feel part of the Davis, Saperstein, and Salomon family. Overall, I was beyond thrilled with how our case went. And it wasn't even the monetary amount, it was the attention that we got, the amount that our attorney spoke with us, made it feel we were making the decision and the outcome, but he guided us on A versus B versus C. I have already referred 3 other people to Davis, Saperstein, and Salomon, and I will keep referring people to your firm. Now, just a huge thank you to everybody at the firm, from the people who answered the phone to people who stuffed the envelopes to everybody. It was just the most phenomenal experience in one of the worst times we've been through, and you just made everything great. We can't thank everybody enough for making a horrific experience a phenomenal experience in the long run.